Ever looked at a garden in spring and wondered why it's not bursting with colors? The secret lies beneath the soil, in the bulbs planted with hope and care. Today, we'll guide you through selecting the right bulbs for a vibrant spring. Understanding the timing is crucial. Not all bulbs bloom at the same time. Let's start with preparing the soil, ensuring it's fertile and well drained. Planting depth and spacing are key to giving each bulb room to grow. Watering wisely, not too much or too little, will set them on the right path. With patience, the first signs of life will emerge from the soil. As days pass, these shoots will grow, promising a spectacle of colors. Caring for your garden means being proactive about pests and diseases. Remember, the beauty of your spring garden is in the details of its preparation. As spring arrives, your garden will transform into a vibrant canvas of colors. Each flower tells a story of care, patience, and anticipation. Your efforts today lay the groundwork for tomorrow's joy and beauty. So let's plant those bulbs and look forward to a spring filled with life and color. Seed you tomorrow, lol.